Hello friends, and today we will um, continue with a series of the lectures that we are doing in French, the irregular verbs and how to understand the irregular verbs and what are the irregular verbs and in which family you would put all these irregular verbs. As there is a system in the regular verb, but in irregular verb, they won't follow the same system, the way the regular verb follows. So the way we did the Partir family of verb, today it's a irregular verbs part 2. And today we will discuss the Venir family. Venir. Venir means to come. To come. जैसे इस and what is the conjugation of venir? It is je viens, tu viens. Sorry, it is s. Elle vient, and with nous venons, vous venez, and elle viennent. So I suppose you understand there is a shift in the spelling. You see that vient. So here it is venir, but it is vient. So je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, il vient, and elles viennent. For example, she is coming from the office. So she is coming now. Is coming. तो यहाँ पे vient. You can write elle vient du bureau. Elle vient du bureau. Or we are coming from the college. We are coming from the college. So nous venons du college. Understand? Now, the way we are conjugating venir, in the similar way we will conjugate revenir. Revenir का मतलब होता है to come back. So the conjugation of revenir would be je reviens. Sorry, it is because there is a change in spelling. So I can write je reviens. Now this is the right spelling. Tu reviens. Elle revient. Nous revenons. Vous revenez. I will write it again. Revenez and elle revient. So you understand? Je reviens, tu reviens, elle revient, nous revenons, vous revenez, elle revient. For example, Je reviens du marché. I'm coming from the market. Je reviens du marché. If you wanted to write down, je reviens du marché. Marché is market. Now, the way we have conjugated venir, there is a common verb, and that common verb will also take the same pattern. It is tenir. Tenir. Tenir का मतलब होता है to hold. To hold. Now, what is the conjugation? How to write the conjugation of tenir? Je tiens, tu tiens, il, elle tient, nous tenons, vous tenez, il, elle tiennent. Okay, so it is following the same pattern of venir. The difference is only वहाँ पे there is V and here it is T. Otherwise the conjugation is same. So how to pronounce it? Je tiens, tu tiens, il tient, nous tenons, vous tenez, il tient and elle tient. So il tient and elle tient. For example, please hold the pen. Or I am holding the pen. Je tiens le stylo. She is holding the pencil. So, elle tient le crayon. Le crayon. Now, the way we have conjugated venir and revenir, in the same way there is one word that would follow the same pattern of conjugation. Obtenir. Obtenir. It means to obtain, to get. Right? So how will I conjugate? Now, because it is starting with a vowel, so I should write juktiyan. Juk, 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 juk. Don't say job. Juktiyan, juktiyan. Tu obtiens. Il, elle obtient. Nous obtenons. Vous obtenez. Il, elle obtiennent. Right? So it is j'obtiens, tu obtiens, elle obtient, nous obtenons, vous obtenez, ils obtiennent, elles obtiennent. So I suppose you understand this conjugation. Now, when I said that it is the family of the verb venir. So the way the conjugation of the venir we learned, we have to put the same pattern in all the conjugations that we are doing. And the verbs that we are doing, they are the important verb in your A1 and A2. Now, there is one verb that is very common in your spoken section. It is the venir. See, the venir is same. इसके आगे मैंने लगा दिया the venir. Now, the venir का मतलब होता है to become. To become. For example, not for example, it's the conjugation je deviens, tu deviens, il, elle, de vient, nous devenons, vous devenez, il, elle deviennent. Right? जैसे you want to say I want to become a doctor or I want to become a teacher. Je I want. So want के लिए हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे वो अभी मैं बताता हूँ कि ये वो क्या होता है. Je veux devenir un professeur. Je veux devenir un professor. Okay. Now, when I'm saying this verb, look at this word verb, and I'm saying I want to become. Now this is to become. Now this want. Which verb is this? This is vouloir. Vouloir का मतलब होता है to want. When we in the series of irregular verb, we will also come across this verb vouloir. So at the time, I will tell you in detail how to use this verb vouloir. But right now you just remember that the verb je veux, tu veux, il, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. This is the conjugation of vouloir. But here je veux is the first person singular conjugation of vouloir. So je veux devenir un professeur. I want to become a teacher. Okay. Now, when we are doing this devenir, there is one more verb. Intervenir. Intervenir. Now it means to intervene or to interrupt. Right? And what is the conjugation of this? It will follow the same pattern of this word venir. So I would write j'interviens, V-I-E-N-S, j'interviens, tu interviens, j'interviens, tu interviens, il, elle intervient, nous intervenons, vous intervenez, and the last is il, elle interviennent. Okay, so I suppose that this conjugation is clear, and let us frame few good examples of this verb intervient. So do you intervene when your friends are sad? Do you intervene when your friends are sad? So it's a question. How to write? The first way is to put est que. Est que tu interviens quand is when, quand tes amis, ton, ta, tes amis, your friends sont tristes. Triste का मतलब होता है sad. Also as triste. Okay, so this is the family. There is one more word to do in this family, and it's really a very beautiful word. It is parvenir. ये ऐसे भी काम में आता है, देखो पारवनीर आ, इसको कह सकते हैं टू सक्सीड इन और टू मैनेज. Je parviens, tu parviens, elle parvient, nous parvenons, vous parvenez, il, elle parvient, il, elle parvient. Okay, so it is the same kind of conjugation the way we have done. So let us now make a very quick revision that how we started. We started with the family of venir. Venir का मतलब होता है to come. So what you said, the conjugation was, you can repeat after me. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent. Now the second was revenir. 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 Revenir means to come back. Je reviens, tu reviens, il, elle revient, nous revenons, vous revenez, ils reviennent, elles reviennent. Now the same pattern was followed in tenir. 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 Tenir means to hold. So it's je tiens, tu tiens, il tient, elle tient, nous tenons, vous tenez, ils tiennent, elles tiennent. Then, like tenir, we have obtenir, to obtain, to obtain, excuse me, to obtain. So, how will you write? You would say Jutia, Jutia, tu obtia, il obtia, elle obtia, nous obtenons, vous obtenez, ils obtiennent, and elles obtiennent. Then we have this conjugation of devenir. As I said that this is very important in your speaking section. So let us speak it. Je deviens, tu deviens, il, elle devient, nous devenons, vous devenez, ils deviennent, and this here, L, E-L-L-E-S, elle devient, right? Then intervenir, j'interviens, tu interviens, il, elle intervient, nous intervenons, vous intervenez, ils interviennent, and elles interviennent. And the last word that we are required to do is parvenir. So, je parviens, tu parviens, il parvient, elle parvient, nous parvenons, vous parvenez. This N-E-Z. So, vous parvenez and il parvient, elle parvient. So, what we have done? We have completed the family of venir, where the verbs like venir are revenir, intervenir, parvenir, then the venir, to come back, to interrupt, intervene, to succeed, to manage, and the venir, to become. And the same way we conjugated tenir. So tenir and obtenir. So these are 7 verbs that fall in the family of venir. Okay, so it's a small chapter, I suppose, my dear friends, that you must have understood everything in the chapter. And in the next chapter we will come out with the next set of irregular verbs. Thank you.